We look at thousands of LinkedIn profiles a day, and you want to know the first thing we look at each one? I'll tell you a little secret. It's the photo. Yes, the photo. Hey, we're humans after all, and the human mind has been wired to first look at a face. So if it's the first thing that someone sees about you, please make it good. And we've seen some that, well, let's be kind, are not good. Here are the 5 photo types not to be. If you've hit one of these, I'm sorry, but like a good friend, when you got spinach in your teeth, well, at least we've told you. The first one we see is the coyote ugly arm. I know, you look great at that wedding reception, but cropping out your significant other with half an arm extended? Hey, that might only work on dating sites. Okay, the other one I like, the auto selfie. The photo of you while driving a car. Safe driver concern? But hey, at least he's wearing a seatbelt. Maybe the company will overlook that auto policy. Not the right idea. Any selfies, not the right idea. How about the back in the day? I was once interviewing a real estate agent and we actually met, and I walked by her 3 times because the photo she used was 20 years ago. Don't let that happen on an interview. Hey, I don't love these grays these days, but own them and be authentic. One I like, the party animal. I know that people like to hire people they would like to have a beer with, but having a beer before they meet you, well, not set the right tone. So keep the cocktails out of the shot, even if that night you looked amazing. How about the witness protection program? The only reason you want a dark or blurry photo is you don't want them to know who you are. I'm guessing this is not your goal here. So unless your previous name was something like Jimmy the Nose, get a clear shot. Now, most of the photos we see don't fall into these categories. Most, hey, they're just okay. But you don't want a new job that's just okay. You don't want a prospect to think you look okay. You want to stand out, to be the special person you are. So make sure you do it right. Get a professional headshot. The couple $100 you spend for a couple $100,000 role, it's really a cheap investment.